Once you finish enhancing your image in Camera Raw, and if you decide to save this image for future purpose, you may want to go to this Save Image button over here. But before you go there, I'll recommend to click on this hyperlink and get the settings done. Well, as the color space I've chosen sRGB, depth is 8 bits per channel, which is good. In image sizing, I have selected resize to fit percentages. Resolution is 90 pixels per inch, which is good. Output sharpening is for screen and the amount is standard, and I'll click OK. These are the best settings for me. I want to recommend you to go ahead and explore different settings and choose the one that suits you the best. After you click on OK, the settings are saved. Click on the Save Image button and it will open up the Save option dialog box. First is the destination of the file, which is here and which is just fine for us. If you want to rename the file, you can specify the name in this file naming. For me, this is good. Next is the file extension, which is .dng, means digital negative as default, but I want to store as JPG. Now the next panel is for the JPG format. I can choose digital negative, JPG, TIFF or Photoshop. JPG is selected. Now here is an option for the metadata. If I want to use all of the metadata, I'll use all. If I want to use copyright only, I'll select copyright only, which is good for me. Then there is this quality. If you want a lower image size, that will give you a lower quality. And if you are ready to use higher size, it will give you much higher quality. For now, high is good. So the quality is 8, this is high, and I'll click Save. And as I click Save, the image is now saved. So I'll go back to Bridge, and here is our image. So this is how you can save the file after enhancing it and adjusting it in Camera Raw.